In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to market your local business through Google Ads. Whether you're a small business owner or managing a team, knowing how to effectively utilize Google Ads can significantly boost your visibility and draw in more customers. Let's dive deep into this powerful tool and walk you through the methods step by step. First, you're going to want to navigate to the official Google Ads website. This is your go-to destination for managing your online advertising campaigns. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the homepage. You'll notice that it promises to help you get more customers and sell more, which is exactly what we're aiming to do. Once on the page, your next move is to find and click on the Sign In button, typically located at the top right corner. If you don't already have an account, don't worry, there's an option to create one. Remember to use an email that you check frequently because Google Ads will often update you about important changes and metrics. Now that you've signed in, it's time to find your way to the Google Ads home. This is the control center for all your campaigns, and here you'll get an overview of how things are performing. Spend a bit of time here to get comfortable with all the different sections you can explore. Once you've familiarized yourself, you're ready to proceed. Next, you'll need to click on Campaigns. This section is where the magic happens. It's where you'll be able to create new advertising campaigns for your local business. Think of this area as your workspace, where you can test different approaches to see what works best for attracting and retaining customers in your area. After entering the campaigns page, direct your attention to the settings option. In settings, you're able to adjust various aspects of your advertising campaign. Pay close attention to the budget settings, ensuring that you're not overspending while still keeping your ads competitive. Explore different bidding strategies. Google Ads offers several that can align with your business goals, whether it's maximizing clicks or targeting a specific cost per conversion. Finally, we move on to locations. This is particularly crucial for a local business since it allows you to target specific geographic areas. By narrowing down to your local market, you ensure that your ads reach potential customers who are most likely to visit your physical location or use your services based on their proximity. Choose the areas that make the most sense for your business and experiment to see what yields the best results. And there you have it. You're now equipped with the essential steps to get your local business noticed through Google Ads. Remember, practice and persistence are key in digital marketing. Keep experimenting with different strategies and adjusting your campaigns to see what resonates with your audience. Thanks for tuning in and happy advertising.